Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and you're watching my channel all about RE Bullet. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to adjust the clutch cable. Okay, so as of now my Bullet's clutch cable is not adjusted properly. So I'll show you guys. So first of all, there is so much of free play in my clutch lever, and when I'm trying to put first gear, there is lots of noise coming from my gearbox, and also the gear is not engaging properly. And not only that, initially it is not so comfortable to shift from first gear to second gear. When we try to leave the clutch, the bike will shut down. So I'll show you guys how to adjust the clutch cable properly. So for that you need a 12 number spanner, and then let me get it loose, and this one, see, there's this much of free play. Okay, so basically what you have to do, see here, there's this much of free play. Now I have pulled this side, even then there's little bit of free play. I guess this is about 1 mm of free play. I mean 1 mm to 2 mm free play is recommended by Royal Enfield also. Okay, and then just tighten it a little bit. Okay, see, there's about 1 mm of free play, and even here there is about 1.5 to 2 mm of free play in the clutch lever. So now we have successfully adjusted the clutch. I'll just try starting my bike. First gear. Oh yeah, it's very smooth, and yes, adjustment is perfect. So always remember to keep at least 1 to 1.5 mm of free play. In case if the free play is less, then the chances of clutch burning is more. Even if you leave the clutch this much also, your bike won't move in first gear also. Okay, so never over adjust the clutch. So that's it for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button, please share my video, and please subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos in future. Thank you.